So here what we have been concluded, that if we are going to apply a translational operation for this lattice on any lattice point, then its initial surrounding and its final surrounding is alike. That means if I am going to apply translation vector on this lattice point, it is moved from here to here, and here also its surrounding is the same. That means at this point, whatever the surrounding was for this lattice point, here also same. So after applying the translational operation, we got the alike situation. The situation is not changes, or we can say it is congruent, or we can say it is overlapped with initial to final. So whatever we have to apply on a lattice, it is unchanged, it looks like unchanged, and it is, or we can say it is looks like invariant, or it looks like overlapped or congruent. That type of operation will be called as symmetric operations. So this translational one operation is symmetric operation. Another operation I am going to show you. See, here you have to observe carefully. Okay, see, suppose this is a square. Okay, this is a square. So at the point, at its center, suppose I fixed it like this. I fixed it like this. So it looks like this. If I will be rotate this much, then it's, so after rotating I got the same situation. Okay, so initially what is looks like, after rotation I got the same view. Again I will be rotate this much, again the same view. So there is no changes of this view or of this structure whenever I am repeating rotating a angle. What angle I rotated here, and I got the symmetric situation or congruent situation, that you have to find out. This is one case. Another case we are going to be consider this one. See, this one I concentrated the center and I fixed at the center here. Okay, so here if I am going to move this much angle, so is it so? This initial and final situation is not same. But if I am going to, suppose initial is this one, if I am going to move or rotated this much, then initial and final is the same. So here what is the angle I have been rotated, that you have to find out. And another thing you have to find out, initially it was this one. So how much time this angle I have to rotate, how much time this situation will become to its initial, that you also find out. That means two questions you have to find out, that this is the situation, initial situation. If I'll be rotate for this one. If I'll rotate this one, the similar situation I got, again rotate like this. How many times I have to rotate, I'll be found, or we are going to get the initial, the original situation. Okay, but each time whenever I am rotating, the symmetry or the so-called view is not changes. Okay, but here you can see that here initially it was there, initially it was like this, view is like this. But if I will be rotated this much, the view is this one. Okay, if I will rotate this much, then view is this one. So how much I have to rotate, that I have to get the symmetric view, or one type of congruent view, or we can say that there is something is not changed. Suppose it was initially it was there. I am going to give you an example. See, suppose I marked this one 1, 2, 3 and 4. This corner I marked this one 1, 2, 3, 4. So here this was 1. So this is 1. Okay, this is 1. See, this is 1. So if I will be rotate, this one like this, the view is not same. But if I rotate like this, the view is same. That means suppose initially it was there, then you have to close your eye, closed, then you have, I will rotate this much, then you have to open your eye. Can you identify that it is rotated? No, but it is rotated, but because the one is here, initial one is here, but after rotating the one comes here. That means I rotated some angle and I got the similar view. Likewise you can get this one. Okay, you can get this one. So how much angle for this one? Like this, if I am going to give, this is 1, this is 2, this is 3. So suppose this is 1. This is one situation, this is 1, this side is 1. So if I am going to rotate this one, the situation is same. That means suppose initially the object is here, object is like this, you close your eye, I rotated some angle and it was like this. So whenever you have to open your eye, तमे जानी परिबनी जे कि एटा रोटेट हैला कि ना, किंतु काई ना एका देखा जाउची, किंतु देखो रोटेट हेज, एटी 1 थला एटी 3 हे जाइछ, एटी 1 टा एठी पळे आसी, 3 टा एठी पळे आसी. ता माने मु एठी कहया पई चाहूची एटा 1, एटा होची 1, एटा 1, एटा 2 निहाइची, पछपट लिखाइछ, एटा 3, एटा 3 लिखाइछ. तो इनिशियल 8 थिला, मत जेमति देखा जाउची, ऑब्जेक्ट जेमति देखा जाउची, मु जे ताको रोटेट करबी सम एंगल, से एंगल ता तमे लिखिबो, चित्र करिवो लिखिबो. एटू 1 अछि, तमे आखि बुझिलो, आखि बुझि साला पर मु किछि रोटेट कर देला पर तो सिमिलर देखा जाउची ना. सिमिलर देखा जाउची माने केते एंगल रोटेट कला कि सिमिलर देखा जाउची, कॉन्ग्रुएंट देखा जाउची, नॉट चेंज्ड, किछि चेंज हला देखा जाउनी. ताले से एंगल ता केते, एटा मते देखियो कहिबो. प्लस ई गोटा ऑब्जेक्ट अछि, आर मनकर सेंटर रे एठी अछि, आकु म रोटेट करनी, आकु तमे कहिबो केते एंगल रोटेट करे, सेटा एई भले एलाइक देखा जिवो. ये वर्तमान केम देखाउछ, एम देखाउछ. तो पॉइंटर इज दिस वे. सो हाउ मच एंगल वी हैव टू रोटेट फॉर दिस ऑब्जेक्ट दैट आई एम गोइंग टू गेट द सेम कॉन्ग्रुएंट पोजीशन और एलाइक टाइप ऑफ सिचुएशन that you have to say. So here I am rotating and I am getting the position or the situation that where the initial and final is like to be congruent or overlapped with each other. See, in case of this square, this is the situation, this is the one, see, this is the situation that initially it was like this. So it was suppose 1 2, so it was like this. So if I will close the eye and I rotated this one, the same view is there. So how much angle I have to rotate, mu kette angle rotate kali ba karuchi, same congruent situation, same situation ta ku overlap hochi hela. एठी कोन करछि मोरा रोटेट करछि, कोन ऑपरेशन देली, रोटेशन ऑपरेशन. तामन आगुरु जोटा पूर्व राम दिहाइतला कोन ना ट्रांसलेशन ऑपरेशन. गोटे किछि गोटा ऑब्जेक्ट ऊपर ट्रांसलेशन ऑपरेशन देले से गोटे पॉइंट रो आ गोटे पॉइंट गला. एठी कोन करा होछि, गोटे पॉइंट रो आ गोटे पॉइंट गला, किंतु एठी इनिशियल तार जहा बैकग्राउंड थला फाइनल भी सेही बैकग्राउंड रहला. एठी सेमती ऑब्जेक्ट ऊपर मु रोटेशन ऑपरेशन अप्लाई करूछि. अप्लाई करि सैला परे केते डिग्री अप्लाई कला अलको से तार congruent situation सब देखोछि. तो first you have to draw for the square, then first you have to draw the rectangle, then it is a समबाहु त्रिभुज, समबाहु त्रिभुज. Then this is another object I am going to show you, that is so this is the structure, that is a hexagonal structure. Suppose here we can see I concentrated on the center of this hexagonal. So if this is the situation, this is initial situation, if I am going to rotate this angle, then if it is this is the final situation, it is ता पर situation हला. देखो इनिशियल हमकु जेमी देखा होतला रोटेट करसला पर सेमते देखा जाउची. तन करी देखो मु एठी मार्किंग भी कर दीची, मार्किंग कर दीची कोन, देखो एटा होची तुमरो 2, सपोज एटा 1 2 3 4 5 6 इहोला मार्किंग करची. मु 1 टा को एट रखिले, तो 1 टा अछि ना, देखो 1 अछि, सब अछि. तो वर्तमान मु एई सिचुएशन रु जदि गोटे पर्टिकुलर एंगल मु रोटेट कर दे सारा पर एई सिचुएशन आसी पहुंचला एई सिचुएशन आ पूर्व सिचुएशन दीटा को एलाइक ना नहीं एलाइक ता माने आखि बंद करथिला समय जदि एई सिचुएशन अछि आखि बंद करली आ रोटेट कर सारा पर एतिक रोटेट कर सारा पर एई सिचुएशन देखुची आई कुड नॉट आइडेंटिफाई द बोथ आर डिफरेंट both are alike or we can say that both are congruent with each other or both are overlapped with each other both the situation or geometry. So initial geometry मते जेमते देखा होतला रोटेट कर सारा पर मते सेम देखा होची ता माने मु एठी गोटे ऑपरेशन कोन ना रोटेशन ऑपरेशन मु ए ऑब्जेक्ट ऊपर अप्लाई करला परे एतिक एंगल रोटेट कर सारा परे इनिशियल और फाइनल सिचुएशन एठी सिचुएशन कहले मते देखा जाउची जहा ओके द सो कॉल्ड situation is nothing but whatever I am viewing that is congruence means overlapped with initial सहित overlap होची आउ थर देखो किछि जणा पड़छ किछि डिफरेंस जेमति देखा होतला सेमति जेम देखा होतला सेमति त माने हेक्सागोनल को एठी केते डिग्री एंगल कला एंगल रे रोटेट कले मते गोटे लेखा लाइक पॉइंट दिसुची देखा जाउची that you have to say. So I given 5 objects to you that you have to find out. This is one, this is another one, this is 3 4 5. Okay, so first you have to draw this structure. This structure means this rectangular structure. Then what is the angle you have to rotate? That you have to say only angle. What is the angle we have to rotate? That you are minimum angle. What is the minimum angle? You have to rotate minimum angle. You have to get the same situation. See, I am going to get this is the minimum angle. Same situation. Likewise for this. Let this is the initial situation. To getting same situation, what is the angle you have to rotate? Minimum angle. What you have to rotate? Suppose this is the initial situation. Getting the same situation, what is the minimum angle you have to rotate for this object? Then for this one and for this one. So you have to draw the object, and here minimum angle you have to write. Okay. You do this much, then I will give some definitions and something that you have to write. Okay.